Okay, so I came across some examples in the Patois Bible. So it's some examples Bible in Patois from the New Jamaican New Testament. So I said, let me try to read this, right? So for number 1, Matthew 1 verses 23, the prophecy of Jesus' birth. Listen up, the woman we sleep with no, the woman we need sleep with no man, I'll go get baby, I will get baby. Oh, rather than, behold, a virgin shall be with child. What? The prophecy of Jesus' birth. These roosters. The prophecy of Jesus' birth. Listen up. The woman the woman when never sleep with no man, I go get baby. Yeah. Listen up. The woman when never sleep with no man, I go get baby. Which is rather than behold, a virgin shall be with child. Wow, this is hard. Number 2. Matthew 2 verses 11. The wise men give Jesus their gift of gold, frankincense and myrrh. Reads, them take out the present where them did bring and give the picnic. Gold, frankincense and myrrh. Frankincense and myrrh. Okay, so that one here a little bit easier. Them take out the present where them did bring and give the picnic. Gold, frankincense and myrrh. Number 3. Mark 1 verses 16. Jesus calls his first disciples saying, follow me, rather than follow me. So Mark 1 verses 16. Jesus calls his first disciples saying, follow me, rather than follow me. Number 4. Mark 4 verses 39. Jesus calms the storm. In English it reads, Jesus stood up and commanded the wind, be quiet, and he said to the waves, be still. In Patois, this now reads, so Jesus get up and take charge. So Jesus get up and take charge. Is that, hold on there. So Jesus get up and take charge to the breeze and take charge. Oh yeah. So Jesus get up and talk trunk to the breeze and tell the sea sit down, settle. And tell this. I got it now. Alright. So Jesus get up and talk trunk to the breeze and tell the sea to sit down, to settle down. Yeah. So yeah. Let's read this over now. So Mark 4 verses 39. Jesus calms the storm. In English it reads, Jesus stood up and commanded the wind, be quiet, he said to the waves, be still. In Patois this now reads, so Jesus get up and talk strong to the breeze and tell the sea settle down. Yeah, that's what it says. Number 5. Whew, this is hard. Luke 1 verses 28. The angel Gabriel tells Mary that she will give birth to Jesus. Read in church service every Christmas as, hail thou that art highly favored, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women. This now reads, Mary may have news, we are gonna make you well happy. God really bless you and him a wake with you and him a walk with you all of the time. No man, believe me, it's easier to talk about when I read it. Whew. Let's read over. Luke 5 verses 1 to 28. The angel Gabriel tells Mary that she will give birth to Jesus. In church service every Christmas as, hail thou that art highly favored, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women. This now reads, Mary, me have news, we are gonna make you well happy. God really, really bless you, and him a walk with you all of the time. Okay. Ooh, this is like work. The next one. Luke 2 verses 7. Mary wraps Jesus in swaddling clothes when he is born. In Patois, this is now. She wrap him up in a baby blanket. Like that one. So Luke 2 verses 7. Mary wraps Jesus in swaddling clothes when he is born. In Patois, this is now. She wrap him up in a baby blanket. Luke 6 verses 27. Love your enemies becomes love no enemy. Yeah, so love no enemy. So from love your enemies to love no enemy. John 2 verses 3. Mary tells Jesus that the wine has run out at the wedding in Cana before he turns water into wine in his first miracle. In English this reads, we have no more wine. In Patois it now reads, them now have no more wine left. Them now have no more wine left. So yeah, that's it. Whew, so those are just a tiny bit of examples from the New Jamaican New Testament. Oh my God, this is hard. I can't imagine reading the whole Bible with this. I prefer reading it in English by far. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And probably check out these examples and see if you can read it better than I do. Let me know your experiences. So see you guys. I'll put in the description box below where you can find the link to this. Yeah, to the Jamaican Bible, and you can read it. So thanks again for watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.